Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at these video camera sunglasses. Comes in this nice case. You've also got this nice wrist strap right here. Let's go ahead and zip it on open. You've got this nice adjustable nose pad right here, power button right here, all the controls on this side, and this side kind of looks the same. It doesn't have any of the electronics in it. Taking a look at this side though, you've got the micro SD card slot right here, and it comes with a 64 gigabyte micro SD card. You have this micro USB cable port, so that will be to charge it up. You've also got a reset button right here and indicator lights to show that it's working. This power button, very nice, conveniently located. It's also the way that you will control the camera. So you want to press it once to start recording, press it again to stop, and then double tap to take a picture. Here is the camera right up top right here. Some clear lenses that are included. You've also got some yellow lenses, so if you prefer those over the darker ones, maybe it's a little bit cloudier outside, you can go ahead and use those. Here is that micro USB cable. Perfect length, perfect thickness. And then you've got the user manual right here, but it's pretty straightforward. You just need to go ahead and download their app and you can easily access all your videos and photos from there. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like while I'm recording. Here is a test of the sound quality as well as the video footage straight from the camera. So here's a look at the Wi-Fi screen. You simply connect to the H3.5 and then you're in here, connection successful. And you can see this is what I am seeing right now. So overall, super smooth, super responsive. As you can see, very high quality. So you can pause the recording, start up the recording again. And then you can also do all this straight from the glasses, of course. So you can go ahead and press that once, start, press it again, stop, double tap, take a picture. And all you have to do is simply switch the switch at the bottom from the Wi-Fi mode to the camera controlling mode. So overall, I highly recommend these. Thanks for watching.